welcome back to the channel. It's your boy B Smooth. We back at it again, man. Getting ready to pull out, man. I decided, man, I will drop a video of the little work that's been going on inside the house, man. Normally, I'll just show my cars and shit, but I had to show all aspects of what I be having going on. That's a lot of shit I be having going on, man. So for today, we're gonna just drop a couple little clips, little pictures and shit of shit that been going on in the house, man. I'm telling you now, don't judge me. There's not no 2000 nothing, okay? I went and bought a single wide 16 by 18 by 40 or 16 by 40. Can't remember the correct numbers, but I went and bought a mobile home from a guy, and shit, been working on it here and there, working on the bill here and there. As y'all know, the tire hose, drop a little clip of that. So as y'all know, the tire hose right there, dude, we've been working on it as well. I also been working on this right here, man. I mean, this been the main big kahuna. This right here is the money taker, also the money maker, or whatever you want to do with it, man. I mean, the way I looked at it, man, I could have went to a mobile home lot, but man, these days, these homes are ridiculous, man. They're fucking nuts on prices, bro. Like, who the fuck, bro, finna give you $100,000 for a single wide, or $60,000-$70,000 for a single wide? So for the low price of X amount of dollars, I end up getting this right here. And I can tell you this, for the price I paid for that home, I could've probably not even bought a car. Well, I ain't gonna say I could've bought a car. I could've bought a car, but I couldn't. I got more money in my tire hole than I paid for this house. That's the only thing I got to say. And I can tell you this, I paid $2,000 for that tire hole. I got more money in the tire hole, like everything I've done, than what I got in this house right now. And that including with me doing the work and with me getting the guys to actually come out and do it. And like I say, man, they doing an excellent ass job. It's only been a couple of days since they got started. They got started the first beginning of this week, and they been on it daily, man. I cannot lie, they been on it daily. So what I'm finna do, man, we're finna go and jump off into the video. Hey, folks, go in the front. Hold the fuck up. So all my newcomers, welcome, man. It's your boy B Smooth, alright? You might don't know me, shit, quite frankly, I don't know you. But it's your boy B Smooth, we back at it again. So check this out, man. So all my goddamn already subscribed people, you know my little crew here. Hey, welcome back, y'all. You know what it is. Oh yeah, we in here. So let's go and jump into the video. Let's get it. Bullshit. It's rough in here. As y'all remember, it's the house. We're doing a lot of work to it here, man. Got a buddy of mine working on it as well. Pretty good carpentry, man. So in the bathroom, started getting the flooring and all that shit down and done. This room here, me and my old lady did this room. Oh yeah. Everything coming along. Got all the holes fixed, trying to do a little drywall work here and there. Gotta get new windows, man. Like I said, it's been a big ass fucking project. A lot of money, man. A lot of fucking money. Then it's around Christmas time as well. I gotta replace this here. This patio door. Gotta replace it. Fix hole here, so everything back solid. That's been the main thing, getting all these holes and everything fixed in this house, man, because it's a lot of shit like right here. I gotta See how they got that right there taped off like that? And, yeah, we ain't doing that, so. That's like 2 different goddamn layers there. Don't fix that. This room here, man. All floors been just about done. Gotta get in here. I got a bad spot back here I gotta fix, man. That's back there. Had to be from water damage, probably coming from this tool. All this gotta be fixed. Hole here gotta be fixed. But I'm working my way from the back all the way back here. So, yeah, that's how that going. Still, drywall work gotta be done. I actually got these 1x4s. I was using it for baseboards. Gotta get new countertop. All that gotta be done. Man, it's a lot. It's a lot going to redoing this, man. That's bathroom vanity for my kids, man. Actually got this off Facebook Marketplace, man. Pretty cheap. Bathroom vanity and shit. It's a lot, man. I mean, so when I ain't working on the truck, this is what I'm doing. This is the tile we went with. The plank came from what you call it. This whole door was so fucked up. If I go up here and shake it like this, all this shit was moving. So heater rebraced all that, sealed it off real tight. I mean, still little gaps here and there, but I'm gonna actually buy another door to go up here. So all that'll be done. I mean, can't lie, man. It's coming along. You know, I caught hell in this bathroom. I caught pure hell in this bathroom, man. You know, still a lot of shit I gotta do, get the planks and stuff lined up. All this gotta be lined up. It's a lot, right? You know, then baseboard going around, molding going around here. But you know, at one time it wasn't solid, now it's solid. So, yeah. I mean, everything coming together pretty good. It's gonna take a while, man, but I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna get there. But like I said, all y'all gotta get wonderful there. All new windows, man. Light fixtures, gotta do the ceiling. So when we did this one, I actually went all the way to the closet with it. So all that done. I put that down. I ain't know what the fuck I was doing there. So it's not right, but it's gonna work today. Like I say, so it's been the big project I've been working on lately. And get out of here and get ready to go to work, man. I got neighbors, man. Then look, I ain't got no steps, so I'll be about to catch hell getting up out of this bitch, man. I mean, it came a long way, man. Like I say, from what it is now to what it used to be, it came a long ways, man. You know, I look at it just like I look at my car. It's a fucking investment, man. It's a fucking investment, dude. Oh, 16 by 80, man. Oh, long motherfucker. That bitch is long. Well, guys, I gotta get up out of here, man. Back to it, man. Let's get it. Let's fucking get it. Alright, guys, as y'all can see, little work in progress. Like I say, do not judge the guy. I ain't got no money to pay no contractors in there, alright? So we getting in where we fit in. We just want to make the house decent and livable. We ain't trying to be all high and mighty, you did? So we just gonna make it decent and livable, man. Don't nobody want to pay no rent. Don't nobody want to pay no rent. Why pay rent when you got something paid for in cash, cool? Talk to me. See that what I'm saying there? Cash, cool? So y'all, hey, check it. Man, one of my subscribers came to me and reminded me about the giveaway. Alright, cool. The thing that happened with the giveaway, I was gonna do a giveaway on the doors for the truck. Bruh, I damn near blew majority of those speakers. I'm not finna do a giveaway on some dead ass speakers. So what I am gonna do, if y'all could just bear with me and hold up now, just hold up, wait a minute, bear with me. If y'all could just sit back and just chill, like and subscribe, continue to watch these videos, continue to support your boy, check this out. In just a little while, we're gonna do a giveaway. Gonna probably, if everything goes well, man, finger crossed, and thanks to the man above. If everything goes well, bro, check it. We gonna be doing a giveaway around Christmas time, man. So I can get y'all a little ho 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 Merry Christmas around this bitch. Talk to me. So that's how we gonna do that there, man. I thought about it, man. When he said that, I'm like, damn, I forgot about my people. And then he actually ran some idea about me, because he emailed me and ran some idea about me. I'm like, man, you know, he was telling me stuff that he needed. But I'm like, shit, man, I can damn not do this for my channel, man. You know, give back to the people who support me, man. Y'all support me, I'm gonna support y'all. I don't mind doing giveaways if I got to give, bro. Y'all, we in here together. We trying to make this moves together, from houses, the cars, the towing, the rims, you name it. We do guy stuff, you know. I ain't gonna just say guy stuff, cause you got some women out here these days that cutting up in these cars. So, you know, we do human stuff, you know, the stuff that fun. Instead of all that gangsters want to shoot up the world, we do fun stuff. Yeah, I say that, yeah, fun stuff. Anywho, hey, y'all stay tuned in to your boy. Until next time, we out of here, let's get it.
Wake up in the morning, thank the Lord I'm here another day. Cause I know this shit could've went another way. They ain't to my shit, I'm going the other way. When they gave up on this shit, I just kept going and going. I'm putting this shit up in they fucking face. When my mama left, I swear my mind ain't been right ever since. I be putting it real shit up in these hits. If I don't do nothing else, you better believe I'm going to get a check. Like the beach, when I come around her, that shit make her wet. I'ma just keep my cool, niggas waiting on me to act out. How you mad at me because you owe me money, man, y'all niggas shout out. Taking my counting for weakness, don't know why you do that, you know how I'm coming, it's personal. Telling me lies and want me to really believe it, I'm thinking it's clowns, it's personal. Okay, my number is still the same, you can hit me up. Saying I ain't lit enough, like saying God ain't good enough. That's cow. Why they be playing on my fucking name? Got me feeling like I'm Birdman. Niggas, they gotta be losing their mind for thinking I'm falling off. I ain't going.